Hello students, we are reading lesson 2 globe, latitudes and longitudes of geography. So today we will do exercise. Okay, so at first answer the following question. Our first question is, what is the true shape of earth? So the true shape of earth, here is the answer. The true shape of the earth is a sphere flattened at the poles. Such a shape is called a geoid. Okay, our next question is, what is a globe? So here the answer, a globe is an exact miniature model of the earth. It shows the earth in its actual shape with all continents, oceans, etc. marked at their proper places. Okay, our next question is, what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? So the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Okay, next, D number question, what are the three heat zones of the earth? So here you see the heat zone of the earth are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. Okay. Now question number E, what are parallel of latitude and meridian of longitudes? So here the answer is E, parallel of latitudes. All of the imaginary circles parallel to the equator are called parallel of latitudes. These circles have varying center and all these central points lie on the same line, the axis of the earth. Meridians of longitudes, all of the imaginary circles perpendicular to the equator are called meridian of longitudes. These circles have the same center which is also the center of earth. तो आप यहाँ टू पॉइंट बनाकर लिख सकते हैं कि सबसे पहला पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स उसके बारे में लिखें, फिर मेरिडियन ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स. ओके, नाउ question number F, why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? So here answer, the midday sun directly faces the area between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. So the heat received is maximum at these latitudes. These latitudes falls under the torrid zone. Okay. Question number G, why is it 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 noon in London? So answer is, India and the United Kingdom lie on different longitudes. Each degree of longitudes corresponds to a difference of 4 minutes. This is because the each rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, 1 degree in 4 minutes. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 east and that of London is 0 degree. This means a difference of 4 minutes 82.5 equal 330 minutes. It means 5.5 hours. So when it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 p.m. in India. Okay. Now question number 2. Tick the correct option. See, the value of the earth meridian, the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree. Okay. The frigid zone lies near the poles, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer. So our answer is the poles. The total number of longitudes are 360. The Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere because in northern hemisphere Arctic Circle is located. Okay. So next, grid is a network of parallel of latitude and meridians of longitudes. Okay. Now next question is, fill in the blanks. So A number, the Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south. Okay. The standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east. The zero meridian is also known as prime meridian. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards prime meridian. And the Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Now things to do. Draw a diagram of the globe showing the earth axis, the equator, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. तो ये आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में बनाएंगे, बुक में दिया हुआ है ये, ठीक है. तो ये आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, सो आवर एक्सरसाइज इज complete, or our lesson 2 is complete.